Hello everyone, I am Garima Mittal, a participant of Microsoft Code Without Barriers Hackathon. I am going to present the solution of my problem statement, that is Data Interpreter Assistant with voice support, presented by Cognizant. So without much delay, let's get started. So let me quickly fix on my screen size. Yeah, that's it. So you must be wondering about the problem statement, right? So let me give you a quick brief of the problem. Imagine a scenario where you are a business owner staring at 1,000 rows of sales data and trying to answer just a simple question like, how did we perform in North region last month? For many non-technical users, analyzing the sales data is frustrating and time-consuming. They either wait for a data team or get lost in complex dashboard. So I asked myself, what if anyone could just ask their data and question and get an instant answer by voice? So here comes our solution, that is the Data Interpreter Assistant. It is a voice-enabled assistant that understands the natural language queries and gives quick, insightful solution on sales data. Like you can ask, how did the North region perform in March? Where did we underperform last summer? Or how did the West region perform in July? This assistant listens, interprets, and speaks the answer back, all that in real time. It's fast, it's simple, and it is specially built to empower non-technical users with real business insights without needing to open Excel or write a single query. So now let's have a quick demo of this assistant. So here is our data interpreter assistant. So let me ask it a question. How did the North region perform in March?
In March, the North region had sales of $592,082, which is $20,734 above the target of $571,348.
How did the South region perform in September?
In September, the South region had sales of $417,908, which is $12,415 above the target of $405,493.
Yeah, that's it. It's working fine. So now let me tell you what tech stack I have used to build it. Like for the front end, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with Web Speech API to handle real-time voice input and speech synthesis. And for the backend, I have used a lightweight Flask API in Python processes that applies business logic to a structured data file of over 200 records, and it is modular, scalable, and designed with extensibility in mind. I have also planned a cloud ready path using Microsoft Azure, hosting on Azure App Services, and scaling it via Azure Cosmos DB, and enhancing the speech features using Azure Cognitive Services. And all this makes this solution not just a prototype but also a practical deployable project. So here it is like a Flask based Python backend that reads from a structured data JSON set, and all the text stack things which I have used in this project. So what are its impact of this project? The impact of this tool goes beyond the sales and analysis. It is all about accessibility, democratizing the data, whether it is a small business, NGOs, or even educational institutions. Even it is especially helpful for non-technical users, people with visual impairments, and for people who are more comfortable in speaking rather than typing. So I built this to ensure that no one feels left out of data-driven decisions just because they can't code. So my friends, this is not just a beginning. I have envisioned it with enhancing with charts, live dashboards, multi-language support, user authentication, and integration with the enterprise dashboards. I built this solo with minimal resources but maximum determination to show that great ideas can be simple, inclusive, and impactful. With this data interpreter assistant, I want to turn ordinary users into confident decision makers just by using their voice. And not only this, you can also see the complete code structure which I have in my GitHub repository, where you can find the entire code base of this data interpreter assistant. So last but not the least, thank you so much, and I hope you to see the same potential in this project that I do. Thank you.